Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear Temu app cache, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear the cache of your Temu app, first open up the settings of your phone and now the Temu app. After opening your settings guys on your phone, scroll down until you can find apps over here. Tap on the apps button over here just above the location. And again, when you land over here, tap on the app management button at the top of the screen. And let's let this load, and after this loads guys, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Temu and open the Temu app on this interface, and you will land on the app info section of Temu, and you can see the storage usage option available for us just below the data usage. Tap on storage usage over here, and you can see guys, currently I had cleared the cache of the Temu app, but in your case, if there's a lot of cache available, you will be able to find the clear cache button in blue, just like the clear data. Now in order to clear cache of the Temu app, tap on the clear cache button over here. Since there is no cache available for me, I had cleared it out recently, but in your case there will be some cache left out, so tap on the clear cache button and the cache memory of your Temu app will be cleared out. And with that being said guys, this is how to clear Temu apps cache on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.